Welcome to this video on how insurance companies use Guidewire applications. The content of this video includes an introduction, key features, benefits, how Guidewire works in the insurance domain, why Guidewire skills are in high demand, and a conclusion. Guidewire applications help insurance companies manage core operations efficiently through digital transformation. Insurers use PolicyCenter, ClaimCenter, and BillingCenter to streamline various activities. Guidewire improves operational efficiency, reduces manual work, and delivers better customer experiences. It is a trusted platform creating huge career opportunities worldwide. Key features of Guidewire include automating workflows like policy, claims, and billing for better efficiency. It integrates with third-party systems for seamless operations. Guidewire also supports business growth by handling large data and complex workflows and provides real-time reports for smarter decision-making. Guidewire offers multiple benefits: efficiency through automation, accuracy via centralized data management, growth by managing demands and improving productivity, and enhanced customer experience with faster services. Guidewire streamlines the insurance domain through integrated steps: policy management, claims processing, billing and payment management, and customer service and analytics. These steps cover policy creation, claim handling, financial operations, and real-time performance tracking for all insurance business aspects. Guidewire skills are highly demanded as insurance companies worldwide adopt digital transformation. The platform is crucial for modernizing core insurance operations like policy administration and claims processing. Skilled Guidewire professionals are actively hired and are offered attractive salaries and excellent career growth opportunities. In conclusion, Guidewire applications are crucial for modernizing insurance operations, improving efficiency, automation, and customer service. Guidewire is a valuable technology for both businesses and IT professionals seeking long-term career growth, enabling better decision-making with real-time data. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please contact us via mail or phone, or visit our website.